You will begin with 2 boxes. One box will be rectangular and shorter, and the second box will be square and longer. The boxes are labeled O for orange or P&M, Y for yellow or TNMP, G for green or P&M resources. As you open the boxes, you'll start first with the dispenser box. Remove all the items. Initially, you will have 3 items: packing material, dispenser and post, and instructions. Cut the dispenser box off of its post and remove the contents of the box, of which you will have instructions, tools, and the dispenser. Now you will open the banner box. Pull out the banner, which will be in its own case. Instructions will be inside the outer sleeve, and remove the components. You should have the banner bag, the banner, its pole, a tool, and the instruction booklet. Remove the plastic sleeve, protecting the pole. Place the pole tab into the indicated portion of the top banner, and raise the banner up into position back to the dispenser station. Open your bag of tools. Take a look at the post and select the hex tool that fits the nut. Place the post plastic side down onto the rail on the back of the banner. Notice the metal receiver that goes into the slot on the back of the banner. It doesn't matter whether your bolt is facing forward or backward, only that your dispenser is facing out away from the banner. Tighten the nut. This will be a tight nut, so it will take some pressure. Tighten it all the way. Time to switch back to installing the dispenser itself. You'll have an Allen wrench, the keys, the dispenser, and a Phillips screwdriver, which is not included with the tools. Use the keys to open the dispenser. Once the dispenser is open, there are 2 modules inside that will need to be removed. Start by opening the gate for the dispenser on top and remove the top dispenser portion. The bottom portion, which includes the gate and the plastic housing, has a single screw at the bottom. You will use the not included Phillips screwdriver to loosen that screw and push the gate and dispenser portion up and out of the unit. You now have access to the holes on the dispenser. You will select the smaller hex and compare the screw with the holes on the dispenser itself. The screws will likely be in a different position than the holes, so you will need to make an adjustment. With the smallest Allen wrench, unscrew the set screws for the risers. You can now raise and lower these pieces. Let the second one fall all the way to the bottom. Take the screw from the top riser that you left alone. You'll unscrew this black hex screw, put it through the central hole, and affix the dispenser to the top riser. Now you'll grab your screw from your lower riser and your tool. You will use your tool to lift the riser up and behind your dispenser. Take your second screw and put it in the bottom center hole. And simply hand tighten. Your dispenser is now secured. Now it is time to return the modules to the dispenser. Grab the small set screw for the gate and dispenser. You'll place the gate and dispenser right above the tabs and slide it down into position. Be sure that the tabs match up. Take your set screw, carefully place it into its bottom position, and tighten it back in. The gate and dispenser are now in position. Now, grab the actual dispenser bottle and put it in position. Note the position of the red ring and the blue ring. The blue ring will have a small cuff on it that it lines up with. Close the gate over the red ring. You are now finished. Close the front cover of the dispenser and use the key to lock it in position. You have now completed the construction of your banner sign.